Welcome to Planter Garden TV, or welcome back to Planter Garden TV. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the update of the bell peppers that I'm growing. Alright, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell that you can get all the update. If you like this video, guys, please hit the like button, share the video if you please. I will truly appreciate it. Today we're going to talk about growing 8-foot bell pepper trees. 8-foot bell pepper trees. Now these seeds you see, these plants you see here, come from a 8-foot bell pepper tree. I have a video showing me on a ladder picking peppers from these pepper tree, the mother of these pepper tree. And now I'm here with the baby, the children, the seeds from that 8-foot bell pepper tree. And guess what? These bell peppers is actually picking for the same height. For the same height. We in July, we now begin in July, and most of these pepper tree is almost already past 3 feet. This one is definitely 4 feet. This one is definitely 4 feet. And this one right here is actually heading for 5 feet. And we in June, July. We usually have our growing season goes until November. So within this time, we're going to be having some really tall bell pepper trees growing. And all of them you can see, some of them already start producing. Let me show you. This is one we see already have on pepper there. We see a next one here already have on pepper. Few of them have on pepper. And once you see they start producing, guys, it's an ongoing thing. So yes, guys, this is the update on growing bell pepper. The secret to growing bell pepper, guys, one of the great secret of growing bell pepper is 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. If you can give them 6 to 8 hours of sunlight every day, that is what they want. That is exactly what they want. Give them, plant them deep, 10 to 12 inches deep, and feed them with organic matter, and just allow them to grow, guys. Make sure you have them tomato, pepper, okra. These type of plants love to be in the burning sun. In the heat, they love that. They strive really good from the heat. So that's the secret. I give you the secret there. Take care of them while they're young. Come out every day and give them a soften their soil around their root, that the small roots can grow and spread. The more they spread is the more bigger they get and the more they produce. So this is the update on the bell pepper plant. Some of them heading for 5 feet, some of them heading for 4 feet, and they already start producing. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you all enjoy. Peace, love, and blessing. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will truly appreciate it. Peace.